Okay friends, so let us talk a little about this simple topic, variables and data types. So I have opened it here. So we know what is variable. It is a kind of a storage which stores some value. It has some data type. So what are the different data types which we have in C? We have int, float, double. Double is like a high precision and higher wide range kind of decimal number. We have char. Okay, the size of these things, int, float, double, they are platform dependent. They may differ machine to machine. 32-bit machine int may be possibly for 8-byte machine, or 64-bit machine it may be possibly 8 bytes, etc. Okay, size of pointer and size of these things are platform dependent. Size of char is guaranteed to be 1. So these are like the primitive data types, and you can have variants. You can have short int, long int. You can have these unsigned variants, unsigned int, unsigned short int, etc, etc. Okay, so all those you can have. As I said, size of int, float, they are all like platform dependent. Then you can create pointers to these primitive data types. Maybe you can create arrays of these primitive data types. Maybe you can create structures combining multiple entities of these data types, and you can nest things. You can have nested structures and all that. You can have array of structures, etc. So once you have the basic ingredients, int, float, double, char, and you have the mechanism of making pointers, arrays and structures, you can nest them and interleave them in a variety of ways. You can create new types also. You can say that this U16 is basically meaning the same as unsigned short int, with the intent of having a 16-bit unsigned integer. Okay, so these are kind of the data types what we have. Rest things are quite intuitive and explained in this page. Nothing really to talk. Just one point maybe I will mention about this L value and R value. What is L value and R value? So I will just talk a little. So anything, very intuitively, whatever can be used on the left hand side of the equal to sign is a L value. So if you have, let's say, int x, and you are writing x equal to 10, so x is L value and 10 is R value. But L value can be more than that. For example, if you have p underscore x, this pointer, and maybe it is pointing to x, and now if you think, what is star p underscore x? Is it L value or is it an R value? So it also is a L value, because it can come on the left hand side of the assignment. So you can say, I want to change that value like this. If p underscore x happen to be some array, let's say you have some array, maybe that pointer is dynamically allocated array, then even this is a L value, assuming the array is big enough. Even on the left hand side, you might have an expression calculating return value of a function also. So basically the definition is that any expression which is modifiable, which can be used on the left hand side in a legitimate manner, is a L value. And of course L value can be placed on the R value side. For example, you may say ptr 300 is equal to star p underscore x. So L value can come in the place of R value, but R value cannot come. You cannot say 200 equal to something. That's not done. So that's L value and R value. So I think we talked what is written in this page. We will discuss other topics in separate videos. Thank you for your time.